Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with another mouth-watering snack, street-style cut mirchi in deep frying and alternative air frying ways. I'm going to show super delicious and simple onion seasoning with spices to stuff or eat along with cut mirchis. Also I'm going to show kids snack with leftover cut mirchi batter and tips for keeping it less oily. Cut mirchis is famous Indian street-style tasty snack. Gets very crispy by double deep frying. It's the usual process used in restaurants and streets. It's everybody's all-time favorite snack. Smells so amazing and very tempting snack for family and great party appetizer. Let's start with the preparation. Use thick medium-sized mirchis, also called Jalapeno peppers. Mirchis should not be too much curvy. Brown stem ones will break easily. Choose green stem ones, being fresh. Wash the chillies. Drain for a while and dry them by wiping with a tissue or napkin. You can see chilies are dry enough. Chop the edges to de-seed chilies easily. Use a knife or safety pin to slit its inner side. Makes it easy to hold from inside and coat with batter outside. Make use of gloves. Helps to avoid burning sensation on fingers. Use narrow edge spoon to de-seed. Take a bowl, add besan, rice flour, turmeric, chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, and baking soda. Mix well all the dry ingredients. If you want, you can add ajwain, it's optional. Add around 3/4 cup water slowly and keep mixing. Don't add whole water at once. If batter gets too loose, it won't stick to the mirchis. If it's too thick, it will fall off from the mirchis. Either way, mirchis won't get coated well. Thus, batter shouldn't be too loose or thick. Needs to be of right consistency. You can test by dipping finger. Batter should stick and not fall off entirely. Take a deep frying pan. Add oil. Needs more oil as mirchis need to be dipped. Heat until hot enough. Test by frying little batter for right fluffing and good shaping. If it's not fluffing well, add little baking soda to the batter. Dip mirchis in batter two sides to coat well. Now deep fry in oil. Make sure to flip halfway. Take them out on turning light brown. Drain on tissue. Cut mirchis into half. You can either deep fry or air fry cut mirchis for another round of frying. Here is the deep frying way of cut mirchis. Deep fry cut mirchis for 1 to 2 minutes until brown color. Keep flipping for even browning. Frying second time makes crust very crispier. Drain the excess oil from mirchis. Here is my super easy and tasty onion seasoning. Add chaat masala, salt, and coriander powder. Mix all spices. Add finely chopped onion. Now coat onions with spices. Serve cut mirchis with onion seasoning or stuff inside with mix. Let's see air frying the cut mirchis. Preheat air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Place the cut mirchis. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes or longer until crispier. Flip halfway. By air frying, crust gets real crispy and we are avoiding double deep frying. Usually there will be leftover batter for cut mirchis. Here is what I make from this batter for kids. As the batter has been resting, don't add onions or potatoes. It's going to absorb even more oil. Let's keep it simple and less oily. Add salt, chilli powder, coriander powder, leftover chopped mirchi edges and mix them all. Add besan. Keep batter little thick to absorb less oil. Drop little batter in a hot oil to make tiny bhajis. Keep flipping for even browning. Drain and serve for kids who don't like to eat cut mirchis. Hope you enjoy super tasty cut mirchis and bhajis. See you again with amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.